Hi friends, time for a new finished project, something I made with the hand-dyed yarns that we have made earlier this year. And this is the Erla top, and it's knit in the Marigold yarn that we dyed earlier this summer. I will link that video here. I will link it below as well. And this is what I made. Now this is, like I said, the Erla top. It's this one, and I knit mine in fingering weight merino yarn. The original is knit with, I don't remember the brand off the top of my head, but it's something silky, I think. So when I knit mine, well, first of all, look at this pattern, and it's the same in the back. It's absolutely fantastic, and I gotta admit, it took me a minute to get into the pattern, but you know, you just gotta be patient and roll with it and you'll get there. So if you think it's finagly or difficult to get going with this pattern, just give it a little time, be a little patient. Once you've got a few rows in, it'll be fine. So this is what mine look like. Now, I have made a couple of different things. First of all, if you look at this, you can see that this is quite a lot longer than mine is. I have opted to stop just around the waist for mine. Since I have a big belly, I don't want to accentuate it, but by making the top even longer and kind of just hugging my apron belly. So that's one thing. I'm thinking I will be wearing this maybe with a dress or a skirt underneath. So that's one thing. And what I also have done, the original has this, let's see if the camera can pick it up. She's added like this triangle back in the neck, which I have simply omitted. I did not do that for mine, because I see no point in it. I think maybe this is what it looks like when she's wearing it. My guess is that since the yarn she's using is more silky, there's silk in it. I can't remember how much it is, but that will make it heavier probably, and maybe a little more, I don't know, slippery. So maybe she needed to add that to, you know, maintain the structure of the neckline in the back, that it wouldn't maybe slide down her shoulders or something. I don't know. I'm just guessing. And all I can say is that I do not need this for this top. It sits absolutely beautifully both front and back, and it's not going anywhere. It's perfect. So something to consider, I guess. Also, it's the last thing you knit in, so if you make this top in the same yarn that she did or something else with silk in it, you know, try it on and decide for yourself whether or not you need that part. I do not in this one. So yeah, I have quite a lot of yarn left over too. Didn't weigh it, but I would say it's close to a skein at least, maybe a full skein. Technically, I have been using alternating skeins since this is a hand-dyed yarn. So yeah, there's a lot left over. So 3 skeins and something, even for a larger person like me. So yeah, what do you think? I mean, look at that pattern. It is so gorgeous. I wish I could design something like this. I design a lot of things, but I'm not at this level. Not yet. Maybe someday. Maybe someday. So anyway, this week's project, the Erla top by, oh shoot, I forgot her name, Valentina something. Well, it's been linked in the cards, and I will link it below as well so you can find it. So yeah, and also of course I will link the video in which we dyed this yarn. I don't know if you can tell actually on camera that this is a sparkly yarn. I may have the wrong lighting for that. Also, please excuse if you see a lot of mess in the background. I can't quite tell because I'm not wearing my glasses right now. But I'm in the midst of getting ready for Christmas and putting up Christmas trees and all of that. So it's a bit chaotic in here. So I tried to find a spot where it wouldn't be too, you wouldn't see too much of all the boxes and stuff. So yeah, that's where we are today. So yeah, very happy, very, very happy with this one. I think I'll probably make a few more of it in the future. It took quite a long time. Granted, I haven't been knitting on it constantly. It's been a project that I've been working on to and fro, especially during this pattern part, because it's a lot of stitches. It takes quite a while, and it's not as difficult as you think, because there are like sections. So there's only like, I don't remember how big a section is, but maybe 20 stitches ish, something like that. So and I use stitch markers, of course, between each and every one, so it's not difficult to follow the pattern in each row, even though the row itself is really long. You do need a lot of stitch markers though, so there's that. But yeah, project of the week, all done. Now I'm gonna make some burgers, and I'll see you next time. Bye.